Hello everyone, welcome to GroupFunnels complete tutorial series. Today I'm going to teach you how to connect your custom domain to the page you created under GroupFunnels or Group Pages. In other words, how to connect your domain you purchased from somewhere else to the page you created under GroupFunnels or Group Pages. So let's start this process step by step.
So this process will be done in 3 steps. First of all, we need to create a Cloudflare account. For this, you have to go to cloudflare.com. Okay, then you have to click on sign up. As I have already signed up with my domain and email address, I have to first of all log out so that I could sign up for an account. So here is the login dashboard or sign up dashboard. Both are same. So for sign up, you have to enter your email address and a password. Thereafter click create account. As I have already created account, so I'm just logging into my Cloudflare account. Okay, I'm going to log in. After you have finished your account creation process, click login, enter your email address and password and just click on log in. Now you have logged into your Cloudflare account. The next step is to click add a site. Enter the site address or domain name which you want to connect to your GroupFunnels page or group pages. So I am entering here my domain name. Click add site. Here are the pricing plans or membership plans. You can choose one of them, but you can also proceed with a free account by clicking here. Thereafter continue. It will take a few seconds to scan your DNS records, which automatically created as your WordPress files, directories or something like that. Here are the directories or DNS records. So you don't have to do anything with these things. Just click on continue. After clicking continue, here are the 2 name servers which are preset with your domain name. So what we have to do is to replace these 2 name servers with these 2 automatically generated name servers. So to do this, what we have to do is to log into our domain registrar's account, and thereafter I will show you step by step process that how to do this. So first of all, as this domain belongs to GoDaddy, I mean GoDaddy is the registrar of this particular account or particular domain. So I'm going to my GoDaddy account. Click sign in or sign into your account by providing the required details such as email address and password. As I am already logged in, I don't need to log in again. So after this, go to products. This dashboard, this account dashboard or domain dashboard may vary from registrar to registrar, but the method will be same. So I am clicking on my products to go to my domain lists. Here are my domain lists which I have purchased from GoDaddy. So this is the domain name which I have entered into my Cloudflare account. As you can see, zindagicodes.in. So what we have to do is to click on DNS. Let's click on DNS. DNS stands for domain name system. These are our domain records from where I have already set my name server to ns1.bluehost.in and ns2.bluehost.in. What you have to do is to change these two name servers. So how to do this? Just follow these steps. Click on change. After clicking on change, just copy these two name servers one by one. First of all, I am copying the first name server, that is name server 1, and pasting it instead of this one. Then copying the second name server and just pasting it into second place. After you have done, you have to click save. This will ask for confirmation because it's a bit risky to change your name server, but it's not that too risky, and if you follow the correct steps, it's going to work for you. So I'm going to give it the consent of changing the name servers of my domain, then click continue. Once confirmed, it will be updated within few minutes or few hours. This shows that feature may be unavailable while we process your updates. Some updates require confirmation. Okay, so this may take sometimes a bit longer, but sometimes it takes less than half an hour to update new name servers, and the confirmation of the update will be sent to your registered email address. So GoDaddy will send me an email address confirming that my name servers are got updated with this particular domain. To confirm that our name servers got updated or not, I'm logging into my email address to see if I have got a confirmation mail or not. You can check from here, or alternatively you can go back to Cloudflare account and then click done check name servers. Click on get started. You have to put it on, then save. Always use HTTPS. Toggle it to on and save. You don't have to do anything with the remaining options or settings. Leave it as it is and go forward. Finish. Okay. Once your name server got updated, Cloudflare also confirms you that the name servers of your domain name has been updated. So we have to wait for a few minutes, sometimes a few hours, but usually a few minutes. So let's see. I'm again logging into my account and let's see what's going on. Okay, it's showing pending name servers update. I'm also checking my email address for confirmation. So I am pausing this video for a few minutes so that I get a confirmation, and thereafter I will tell you that how much time it took to update my name servers. Okay, you can see this message: great news, Cloudflare is now protecting your site. This means that my name servers is updated, and it took approx 10 minutes to update my name servers. Let's move on to next step. So in next step, what we have to do is click on DNS. After clicking on DNS, we have to add a record in our database. Just click on add record. Select type as CNAME, then your subdomain. For example, I'm just using here Groove Funnels. target. In target, you have to paste this address, which can be found in group help desk. So after pasting, click on save. It will take a few seconds to save. Okay, so here our record is saved with these details. Let's go back to our site, our page in GrooveFunnels. Go to the GrooveFunnels homepage or your GrooveFunnels account. Go to app.groovefunnels.com or simply groovefunnels.com. It will redirect you to app.groovefunnels.com. As I am already logged into my GrooveFunnels account, so I don't need to log in again. So what I have to do is click on manage sites and funnels. All your sites and pages you have created using GrooveFunnels or your group pages will appear here. Click one of them which you want to host on your custom domain. I'm just opening this, my first e-commerce store, as a testing page. Okay, I'm supposing that I have created my whole page and I'm ready to host it on my custom domain. So click on publish. Just check this option, publish on your domain. Enter your domain which you have recently linked to Cloudflare account. Let's change this address, for which we have just added the record. And click publish. Site publish in progress. This message appears. We will wait for some time to get our site being published. Check periodically by entering the address you have just used in your page section. That is, here we used, okay, you can see here our page is live with our custom domain name which we have just created in GrooveFunnels. You can see that this is exactly same as this one. Any changes you make in your website, in text, images or anything else, and after making change you have to click on publish, and these changes will appear similarly on your website with your custom domain name. So this was the process of creating your website with GrooveFunnels using your own domain. If it helped you out, just like, subscribe and follow. Thank you for watching.